Hey there, welcome to JP the Woodworker. I'm John, and this is the place where we bring dads and kids together one woodworking project at a time. And today we're going to be bringing you an 8x10 picture frame with mitered joints. This is all hand tools. It's very simple, so stick around to find out how we do it. This was actually the first picture frame that I made from hand tools. So I used the shooting board that we made, or that I made last week. So go back and watch that video if you need to make a shooting board. And if you have any questions on that, let me know. But I was really pleased with how things came together up to this point. So there's a couple of things that happened. I made one of my measurements wrong. So I measured the pieces at 12.5 in length for the sides and then 9.5 for the ends, 9.5 inches that is. And I actually messed up one of the measurements. I have to go back and see exactly what I did and how to fix it. So it doesn't turn out with my measurements to be an 8x10 frame, but it actually turned out really well, and I'm just going to make a picture fit, and I'm going to do a mat or something else because I want to keep the frame. But I'll list the correct measurements for you. The second thing that happened is I had a family emergency while I was videoing this, so I had to take a break really fast and rush out. So I'm going to have to wrap this up on a part 2 next week. So next week, a couple things are going to happen. I'm going to make the rabbits on the back side of the frame where the glass is going to fit in. And then I'm also going to show you how I put the frame together, and I'm going to do that. Well, it's going to be neat, so just come back, stay tuned for that, come back and find out. But I did want to show you one thing here. Let me see. Let me orient my pieces right. Yeah, like this. I was very happy. Again, I apologize for the lighting. I know it's not the greatest, and I've been saying it for several videos now, but it will get better at some point. So I hope you stay with me. And just bear through it right now. But anyway, check this out. So these two, let me see if I can get it centered for you. It's perfect. I mean, I'm not pressing it together or anything. It's a perfect mitered joint. So this is what you can get. This is the quality you can get from hand tools with a shooting board and a hand plane. I mean, it is not hard. It is simple. It's amazing to me how simple it is. Now, it's going to take some practice. It's going to take developing skills. But I'm starting to see how once you develop these skills, you can start to do really cool things. So I hope that you'll give it a chance. I mean, you can find hand planes and all these tools. You can find them relatively cheap, and this stuff is just a couple dollars at Lowe's, and you can make really cool gifts and all kinds of stuff. And you know, you can make memories from, you know, maybe if you have wood from a property that you owned or that your grandparents owned, things like that. So anyway, I won't go into all that right now, but I'm excited about it. Stick around for next week. We'll wrap this up, and it's going to be a really cool frame. And I'm going to get Maddie Mad Dogs back down here with me to finish this up because we're supposed to be doing these projects together. That's what this channel is all about. Well, most of the time anyway. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Take care, and until next time, always remember life's most important order: love God, love each other, and woodwork. We'll see you next time.